Hello my students, our session today is Unit 6, Lesson 5. Let's start with the revision. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Tom's company is growing and he has just taken on, taken over, got ahead, cut back to smaller rival companies. The correct answer is taken over. Taken over means to control something. Number 2. He decided to take over, pull out of, cut back, take on the deal because he didn't have enough money. The correct answer will be pull out of. Pull out of means to stop being involved in something. Number 3. Sales are down, so we will have to reduce costs and take on, cut back, turn down, take over on spending. The correct answer will be cut back. Cut back means to reduce something. Now let's turn to the grammar of this lesson. The grammar today is about reporting verbs. We can use other reporting verbs apart from say and tell. These verbs add an opinion or state an intention and follow different structures. Some verbs are used with more than one structure. Number 1. Verb plus infinitive with to, like agree, decide, offer, promise, and refuse. For example, Julia offered to help me. Number 2. Verb plus object plus infinitive with to, like advise, encourage, invite, remind, and warn. For example, my father advised me to study hard. Number 3. Verb plus that plus clause, like admit, agree, claim, decide, deny, explain, insist, promise, recommend, suggest, and warn. For example, Jim suggested that we visit the museum. Number 4. Verb plus object plus that plus clause, like assure, convince, inform, and promise. For example, his parents convinced him that he was right. Number 5. Verb plus ing, like deny, recommend, suggest, and admit. For example, the thief denied taking the money. Number 6. Verb plus object plus preposition plus ing, like accuse somebody of, blame somebody for, congratulate somebody on. For example, her family congratulated her on her success. Number 7. Verb plus preposition plus ing, like admit to, apologize for, insist on. For example, he insisted on traveling abroad next month. And here's an example. Dahlia said, I'm sorry, I forgot your book. You will turn it as Dahlia apologized for forgetting my book. Again, Dahlia apologized for forgetting my book. And ask is not the only verb that's used for reporting questions. We can also use the verbs inquire, wanted to know, and wonder. For example, I inquired where the head office was. Number 2, he wanted to know what I was interested in. Number 3, we wondered if or whether she had resigned from her job. Now, let's answer these questions. Rewrite the following sentences. Number 1, Anne said she was sorry for arriving late. Use apologize. The answer will be Anne apologized for arriving late. Number 2, George said he didn't take the money. Use deny. The answer will be George denied taking the money. Number 3, Lisa said that Rachel had taken her bag. Use accuse. The answer will be Lisa accused Rachel of taking her bag. And now it's your turn to answer the rest of the questions. I'll just read them. Number 4, the teacher said we had to arrive on time. Use advise. Number 5, Mike said he would pay for everybody. Use insist. Number 6, my uncle said I should play the piano. Use encourage. And thanks a lot.